Children, today we are going to see about lines. Come, let's go. Shapes are created by connecting lines. There are different types of lines depending upon their positions and shapes. This is a line. Doesn't look like the line is standing? Let us call it as a standing line. It is a vertical line. Rain is a standing line. This is a sleeping line. Children, look at this line. It looks like a man is sleeping. Sleeping line is a horizontal line. Children, your exercise book has horizontal lines. Look at the man. How does he walk? He is walking in a slanting position. This line also in a slanting position. So, we call it as a slanting line. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. All these are called straight lines. Children, we use these straight lines to create various shapes such as square, a rectangle, and a triangle. Kids, look at these pictures. The rim of the table, the rim of the blackboard, the rim of a book, the rim of an eraser, and the rim of the door. All are made of straight lines. These are the examples of straight lines. Children, now look at these lines. These are curved lines. We use curved lines to draw shapes like a circle and a oval. Okay, children? Look at these pictures, children. Bangle, road, eyeball, moon, and plate. All these are examples for curved lines. English alphabets and the numbers are made with straight lines and curved lines. Some letters and numbers are made using straight lines only. For example, letters A, E, F, H, I, K, L, M, N, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, and numbers like 1, 4, and 7. All these are made using only straight lines. Other alphabets and numbers are made using straight lines and curved lines. Do you know, children? Using matchsticks, we can create alphabets and numbers only using straight lines. Lines in our day-to-day life. Who is he? He is a traffic policeman. He is giving directions to vehicles. He shows many signs using his hands. He is making many straight lines and curved lines using his hands. It looks like dance. Children, look at these pictures' arms. They look like standing and sleeping lines. Several classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Odissi use geometrical movements. Children, you can see different lines in these dance forms. We can make our own designs by joining the dots with curved or straight lines. Look at these pictures. We can draw different pictures using different types of lines such as curved, standing, slanting, and sleeping lines. Summary of this lesson. We have learned standing lines, slanting lines, sleeping lines, curved lines, numbers and letters using lines. Numbers and letters using matchsticks, lines in our day-to-day life, traffic hand signs, different dance forms, lines in pictures. Thank you, children.